Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. This is a video on first page design of on ASP application. The first design is here in front of my screen. I want to show the page I have designed is for calculation of basic calculation. This is suppose a basic pay is 45,000 and the calculate button will work to calculate the 6% of this and 20% of this house rent and the total amount of sum of this above. So I is supposed to click calculate. Yes, it is working now, and this is done behind the coding of this button. Click of calculate, and to wash out this data, yes, this is clear button and it will wipe out this data. And this is the close button, but I have no other page linked with this project, so it is now I have to do it next. So I will show this code behind this page. And next the this page is ASP page are hosted and browsed in Explorer. This is Google Chrome is working, Google Chrome, and any other browser you can choose to browse this. And the page is published, that is web browser is working on the local host area, from the local host area where the local site is published, that is the www folder is present on OS, from which this page is rotated to the browser. So I will talk it later on, but now I have to show your code behind this page. This is ASP WEBFORM. This is page name is default.aspx, and because you know the extension of ASP page is a .aspx, and I stop this debugging, that is running the project, and here my page is here, this is, and I will show you what are the code behind this calculate button, and also I will try to design in front of you this page calculate. On clicking on this calculate button, I goes to the actual C# program area. This is the button event which I have double clicked. This is first I have declared the variable to store data, suppose n, and two other variable m and h for calculating the other field of data. And the field of the data is that is text1, text2, text3. That is I have four text boxes, and the three boxes are working, and total text boxes only to show the data calculated above. So yes, this is the three variable works is here. Text box 2.text value is given as m value, that is text box 2.text is h value, and on the above I have already cleared that the value of m is calculated as n multiply of 6%. H is calculated as n multiplied by 0.20, that is 20%, and the text2.text is showing the value of m dot to string. And before going to the value of m is found from the basic salary. Basic pay is the text box 1.text. Here please see the design. This is text box 1, this is text box 2, this is text box 3, and the total is text box 4. So this is the n, m, h, and the total is the summation of this above. So this is n equal in 32, which is the conversion of the data for with parse, that is no space, of the value text box on the text. That is whatever value placed on this box, it will goes to n, and it is treated as integer variable. And m and declared, it's declared, and now m is calculated as the text box value into 0.06%, and h is calculated as n of it to 20%. Yes, and the value is placed again to show my screen. Textbox2.text is this m.2 string, and textbox3.text is h2.2 string, because m and h was declared as integer, but to show on the text box it should be converted to string. Yes, it is done as m.2 string and h.2 string. Now double t is another variable. T is kept for storing the summation of n plus m plus h, that is above values placed in the variable t. The sum is shown as textbox4, which is given as the value of t dot to string, because text can hold only string value, and the double value is converted to t dot to string. This is the code behind the click button of calculate. I think it is clear to you. And the next button is clear. It is very much clear that the text box has any value. If it is shown as blank, that is with no space, or that is with a space, the value will be cleared. This command is used simply. The text box on the text has no value. This is double quote. Text box 2 has no value. Text box 3 has no value. Text box 4 has no value. It can also be done with the help of text box. I tried to show you text box, sorry, text box, suppose 2 dot, I think 2 dot, it is not giving here, text box 1 dot, yeah, sorry, it is not working, because I want to show that this dot clear is also a class value of this. No problem, now it is working. The text box text is a blank space, the blank space, blank space, blank space, that is I have given the value of blank spaces which clear the screen, the clear the text box value, text box size, that is there is no value which is I supposed to coding behind this clear button. So thank you guys. I will show the design in a separate video, because it will goes a long as 8-minute video, so I think it is sufficient for you to do some practice on these buttons, and please try it. Thank you. If it is liked by you, please subscribe, and to get more and more videos.